Just had the postie bean. I've already opened up one. Here we go. That's a big brick. Alright, this is from Mr. Brenton Meadows. So let's just oh jeez. Alright, the unboxing. Just need more hands, don't I? Oh, that was quick, Brenton. What was it? 2 days ago. This is the I think it's the amp that caused a bit of hoo-ha over. Several individuals didn't believe that Brenton actually had them. Oh, it's going to fight me. Oh, there we go. Oh, did you know these are made out of, what is it, protein? If you put them in water, they expand and then dissolve. Cornstarch. Interesting. Oh, here we go. More bubble wrap. What's all this, Brenton? You've been chewing on the stuff. I must say, for a man that won't die, you do a pretty good job at posting stuff. I say that because I'm a mate of yours, and there's a bit of sarcasm there, isn't there? Yeah. Anyway, let's have a look. Oh yeah, we've got a fuse there. Oh, Brenton. Oh. So many things in life that you do one-handed. I'm not good at this. Don't have enough experience. Oh, there we go. There we go. Here it comes. Nearly there, Brenton. Oh. Oh, it's still fighting me. Oh, it looks like an amplifier. Oh. And it's a DSC all mode K6349. If it serves me correct, this is a 6 metre 100 watt amplifier for 6 metres. Fantastic. Looks good, Brenton. Yeah, the meter works. All right. Thanks, Brenton. There's your laugh for the day. Thanks, mate. So there we go. There's my 2 nice deliveries for the day. The one from Brenton, I just need to clean up, run some new leads. This one here needs a bit of work. Switch, tidy up, repaint, clean, scrub. KLB 400. Yep. Bigger than the KLB 300, which I did have. Gives you a comparison. What is it? 26 to 30. It's just, what is it, 250 watts or something? 10 metres FT8, that's what I want to use it for. Alright guys, thank you very much.